Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. So I'm looking at these two gas grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Spirit S-315. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Weber is definitely a bigger investment at around $850 compared to the Nexgrill's $180. What are you planning to use the grill for? That might help decide.
Well, mostly small family cookouts, maybe occasional camping. I like the idea of something portable.
Then the Nexgrill Fortress might be a better fit. It's designed to be portable, weighing only about 29 pounds. The Weber, on the other hand, is a hefty 125 pounds. Not exactly something you'd take camping.
True. The portability is a big plus for the Nexgrill. What about cooking space?
The Weber has significantly more cooking area, around 424 square inches, whereas the Nexgrill offers only 263 square inches. So for larger gatherings, the Weber would definitely be better.
Okay. And what about power? I want something that heats up quickly and sears nicely.
The Nexgrill boasts 13,500 BTUs with 2 burners. The Weber's BTU isn't listed, but it has 3 burners, which generally means more even heat distribution and potentially higher overall heat output.
Okay, so Weber might edge it out there. What about build quality and how long they'll last?
Weber is known for its durability. The Spirit S-315 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a porcelain enamel finish, which helps prevent rust. The Nexgrill has cast iron cooking grids and a cast aluminum build, which is durable but maybe not quite as long-lasting as the Weber.
Good point. I do want it to last. Is one easier to clean than the other?
Both have removable grease trays, which is great for easy cleanup. The Weber's porcelain enameled grates are also known for being easy to clean. The Nexgrill mentions it's quick to clean as well.
Okay, so if I'm prioritizing portability and price, the Nexgrill wins. But if I want more cooking space, potentially better heat, and long-term durability, the Weber is the way to go.
Exactly. It really depends on what's most important to you and your grilling needs.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.